What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another video. I'm gonna make this a short video, man. But listen, if you a parent out there and you trying to save you some money, man, I highly request you to start DIYing your own stuff, especially when it comes to expensive stuff. Y'all know kids can be a little clumsy, and my kids are a little clumsy. I had to solve that problem. To make the long story short, as y'all can see, from these controllers, he trashed these controllers, bro. I was like, ain't no way my boy trashed these controllers. You know why his controllers is like this? It's because he be playing Gorilla Tag. And I be telling him like, bro, when you playing Gorilla Tag in space, somewhere you not so close to, this dude start moving around and start hitting the desk and start hitting everything else. And the next thing you know, something is broke. So I was like, man, look, let me just go ahead, print these things out, you know what I'm saying, and see how they'll do. Now, these not perfect at all. They could be way better. This is just something for now because I plan on fully doing this tomorrow, you know what I mean? My boy just gonna have to deal with this. I did the plate, and I also did the joystick. Now, the joystick is a little bigger, you feel me? But I'm gonna wind up trimming this down. Y'all know how I get down on this channel, you feel me? And this took about at least an hour and 30-something minutes total. I did this side right here. I made a mistake and broke it off. I was being too rough with it, but it does fit nice though. As y'all can see, not too perfect. It seats, but not too perfect, but this is good for him just for now. It'll hold off until, you know, a couple days or whatever. Let's just jump right on into it. Let's see if we get these things on here. All right, man, so we're gonna start off with this baby right here. The sleeve for the battery cover first. And then we're gonna work our way on down. You feel me? We'll see when just get this stuff off. You gotta be real gentle with this joint, man. This joint will break in like a crazy way. For the file. Alright, here we go. Oh, that look nice. Now that looks better, I'm not gonna lie. That don't look bad. That don't look bad at all. Let's try it on here. Let's see if it works on here. Let's see. You doing it right? Man, got a little crack in there, but like I said, man, this will do. I'll take that though. I have to adjust it. I'm gonna go on my files and adjust it. It doesn't look bad. Like I said, man, it could be worse. But listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? It's a money saver. You just gotta keep going at it. The little crack right there does have a little crack. You feel what I'm saying right there? And this one right here, like I said, I already did this one. I have to do this one over. Look at these two. Look, all right, man. They're not bad. Come on, man. Don't look bad at all. Don't look bad. Be careful with this. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I finally got that joint off. Let me show all that joint off. And he gonna test it in the morning. I'm gonna see how he do. So let's sort of take this off this plate. Easy peasy. Something slight. That joint look good, man. That joint look decent. So that joint look, boy. Let me see. Alright. Looks cool. It feels like it's seated perfect too. Like I said, man, besides that, it do have a little gap in here, but it does feel great. It do. It really does feel great. So I'm gonna keep making more stuff for this, man. I think this is pretty dope. I hope he like it when he wake up in the morning. Cause I really worked hard doing this, staying up all night. So without further ado, let's try to put this joystick on. Do it this way. Just put it on there. Let's let this baby work, man. Yes, sir. Like I said, I did this part right here, man. The battery cover. You feels me? Did the plate. And did the analog. Something for right now. If you into 3D printing, man, and you got kids, you got games that's broke, you could print a lot of stuff, man. It's a lot you could do with this. A lot you could do with this. You feel me? I'm gonna do these over, so I'm gonna give y'all another video. You dig? I just wanted to show y'all this joint, you heard? But listen, man, it's your boy D Bonds. Tune in with another one. Subscribe to the channel.